Okay, let's talk about The Housemaid today. So, here is my favorite series, The Housemaid. So, there are three books in the series: The Housemaid, The Housemaid's Secret, and The Housemaid is Watching. Today, we are going to talk about the first book of the series, The Housemaid. Welcome to my channel Rachel Reads. Here we talk about books. And today I'll be giving book review of The Housemaid with spoiler. Okay, so let me give you the basics first. The Housemaid is Millie. Millie is in all the three books, but they are not sequel really. If you want, you can actually try reading them individually. It is just good to read it one after another. The stories are not connected, but the character develops with each book. So that is why it's a series. If you want to read the second book first, you can try that. This book spent years on bestsellers lists, and the twist everyone talks about is not even the biggest one. There's a person in the book that you are taught to hate in the beginning, but is she really hate worthy? Let's talk about it. So Millie is broke. She is an ex-con sleeping in her car before she lands a live-in housekeeper job for a wealthy couple, Nina and Andrew Winchester. Nina is erratic and cruel to Millie. Everyone says she is not well. Andrew is charming, patient, the sympathetic husband dealing with his unstable wife. And of course, Millie starts falling for him. On the surface, it looks like unhinged rich wife versus sympathetic housekeeper. But that's not what the book is about. Every chapter makes you more sure that Nina is the problem. Then the book gives you her point of view. And it doesn't match with what Millie sees. Something is very wrong in that house. And you are judging exactly the wrong person. Okay, here is a spoiler warning. If you haven't read the book yet, pause it, grab the book, and come back after. Link is given below. Or if you want to know the story, please continue. Nina is not crazy. Andrew has been abusing her for years, locking her in that attic room as punishment, gaslighting her into thinking that she is delusional, sent her into a psych ward, controlling her through their daughter. So she is the one who is the real victim here. And Nina hired Millie on purpose to give Andrew a new target so he would finally let her go. Everything that pushed Millie and Andrew together, Nina engineered it. Once Nina is gone, Andrew starts doing to Millie exactly what he did to Nina. But Millie, she fights back, turns the tables, and he doesn't survive it. And by the end, they happen to be lucky with the detective of the case, who lets both Nina and Millie walk away clean. I have given you a spoiler, but I have not given you the whole story. Because even if you know everything, after you read it, you will feel something else. Yes, there's also a Netflix movie on this book, The Housemaid. It's very interesting, but I would recommend read the book first, then watch the movie, and the thrill that it gives, matching your imagination while reading the book and watching it happening on the screen, it's amazing. It's a fast, dark, one-sitting read, not subtle, but brutal at making you misjudge everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if you want review on the other two books too. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.